Oh yeah, I'm going to get in a lot of trouble for this video, but I don't care. This is something I really needed to do. This is a video that needed to be released, so I'm pretty excited for this one. So what is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to expose real estate wholesaling gurus. That's right. If your favorite YouTuber or favorite person out there and you think they're not a guru, I want you to do a quick test, and you can do this test in pretty much under a minute to see if your favorite wholesaler or a wholesaler that is saying they'll give you free info, if they're really trying to funnel you in for a course. In this video, I'm going to break it down, and it's going to be really fun. There's a bunch of tools that no one really knows about that I'm going to share with you today. So this is going to be pretty exciting. It's really going to break down why these real estate wholesaling gurus, it's going to show you what they do with all the money you give them, and I'm really going to expose their whole system. So it's going to be a fun one. I'm definitely going to get a lot of flack. I'm going to get a lot of trouble for it, but overall, this video needed to be done, and it's going to be very interesting. So let's get into it. So overall, what is a real estate wholesaling guru? Again, a real estate wholesaling guru is someone who tries to sell courses, not give you a lot of value, and they're just trying to funnel you in. And then, honestly, they just want to take your money, and they don't really want anything else. They don't want to help you out. They don't want to give you value. They don't want to change your life. They don't want any of the stuff. And truly, all they want to do is just make a profit off of you. So for you to know what these people are and their actually true intentions, there's a lot of tools out there for you to actually know. And it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really exciting. So let's get into it. Before I get into it, guys, you know the drill. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, because much free value and content from me as possible. Again, on my YouTube channel here, my goal is to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling profits absolutely for free. I don't want you to pay a dime for this information, and I'm trying to really change the wholesaling game forever so everyone knows that wholesaling real estate, that information should be free. And that's what I'm really trying to do on this channel here, and that's my goal. And the number one part of this goal here is to expose these real estate wholesaling gurus and these coaches just trying to pry off of you and sell you stuff. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you exactly how to know if your real estate wholesaling guru is selling courses and really just trying to make a profit off you. So what we're going to do here is let me go on my computer and let me show you the screen share of the exact tool I can use online to find out what's up with these real estate wholesaling gurus, see if they're actually trying to sell you courses and trying to just make a profit off of you. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so now I'm in Google, and the way I do this is I just go to Facebook Ads Library. So now I am in the Facebook Ad Library here, and this is where we're actually going and finding the gurus. We're going to figure out if they're trying to sell you a course or not on here. This is going to be the really exciting stuff. So let's go. So we're going to do here is we're going to go to the United States, and this is the library of literally all Facebook ads on Instagram and Facebook. This is how we're going to know if it's a guru or not. They're trying to give you free information, but really peddle it so they can sell you a course or something. This is what we're going to do to actually pop it up and see. This is the really exciting stuff, because you can actually see these gurus and seeing how they're actually trying to sell you. They'll show you the ad copy that they're doing to try to reel you in. This is the stuff that they want to keep away from you. This is a video that I'm going to get a lot of trouble for. Probably a lot of gurus don't want to go on my podcast after this, but I got to do it. I got to expose these people out. And really, I'm not going to go call anyone out specifically in wholesaling, but I think you guys can fill in the blanks and look it up yourself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to search ad category. And then when we hit all ads, we're going to start searching. So like my recent searches here, we can go and see if these people are actually running ads. So let's do Grant Cardone, for example. Obviously, he sells courses, and he's still a great guy, but overall, you can see here that Grant Cardone, you do the Facebook, you do the Instagram here, and you can actually look up here that, okay, it looks like he's running ads. Now, obviously, Grant Cardone's not doing wholesaling, and he's doing a pretty legitimate, great business. So, but you can also see here that with your gurus, if you go see the running active ads, you're like, oh my gosh, they're spending $50 a day on all these ads. Grant Cardone's probably doing way more than that on here, and they're trying to peddle free stuff on you to sell you courses, and it's like, wow, that's kind of crazy. Then you can go literally search anyone you want. Like, you can do anyone you want. So I search Russell Brunson here. He's like the guy who sells like funneling stuff. So you can see here that he has video ads. He's doing all this. You can see his ad copy. It's pretty interesting to see. But it's overall a really good tip to see if your guy or guru is trying to do it. So obviously we got Dean Graziaso here. I know he sells a bunch of stuff. So Dean Graziaso, let's see, he probably runs Facebook ads. And you can see here, he's running ads like here, like join my thing here, be successful, know my secrets, blah, 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 blah. And you can see here, he does like the knowledge broker blueprint. He's trying to sell all this stuff on you. So you can see here, you can also click on their, like the guru or the coaches and just see what they're doing here. It's pretty interesting the way you can actually see it and look. So overall, that's how you actually know. And you can just search people up like that. You might search like an Ed Milet type guy and see if he's trying to sell you something. He doesn't really sell anything really because he's got his podcast and stuff. So no ads will pop up here. So that's really how you know. I'm not going to go search wholesaling gurus or wholesaling YouTubers out there to really look, but I think you can fill in the blanks. So we're going to do flip with Rick and see if I'm a guru. Am I trying to sell you a bunch of courses? Am I trying to, do ads for you guys? Like what am I doing? And it looks here I've done no ads ever, which is interesting. That's weird. And yeah, that's kind of weird. And I don't think Zach Ginn even pops up here. But that's it, guys. Like, you can look my stuff up, look everyone's stuff up, and just see what they're doing. But overall, guys, these gurus, you can look them up and see exactly what they're doing. These gurus do not want you to know this information exists. And this is the greatest place just to see their ad copy. Steal it if you want, because I know they spend thousands and thousands and probably hundreds of thousands of dollars for ad copy people, so you can steal their stuff, which is pretty fun. I'm getting a lot of trouble for that, but I really don't care. Next year, you can actually see what kind of stuff they're peddling, try to see their ads that they're trying to push on you, and really kind of see their games. Because wholesaling, you should not be paying for this information. It's absolutely free stuff. Do not pay for wholesaling information. It needs to be free. The stuff needs to be free. We need to change the stuff. So this is how you expose the gurus, see what they're doing, and see kind of what they're up to. And if they're pushing a bunch of ads, they're going all out, taking money from you, and then advertising for more people to join their thing. So overall, there are some gurus on here that might not even pop up because they don't even do Facebook or Instagram ads, and they're doing only YouTube ads. So that could change too. So just keep overall, but it's a pretty interesting gauge to see because a lot of these gurus don't want you knowing they're running Facebook ads because they're not targeting you. But this is a good way to know. So definitely gonna get in trouble for this one, but I think it's overall worth it. So that's it, guys. So I appreciate it. Got any value of this video? Remember, smash that like button and subscribe. Appreciate it. Let's get these gurus out of business and let's start making wholesaling free again. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.